Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage. Now let's focus on the first one, settings bar. Here we can manage our aspect ratio. We are in 3 and 4, let's move to left to 1 and 1. Now as you can see, the background has changed to the square one. Another tap to right corner, and let's move to 9 and 16, and here we get access to longer ratio, and in the settings we can also pick full one, so for now we have full camera frame. And of course you can stay on whatever you need here. Now let me move back to 3 and 4, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.